Hi, this is Jonathan here at the Nottingham Drum and Guitar Centre, and today we're going to check out this sound system comprising of one Mackie SRM 1550 bass bin or subwoofer. It's active, means the amplifier is built into it, and we're going to use that together with the two Mackie SRM 450 tops. That's just what we're using today. You might be a DJ and you've already got a pair of your own tops, and you're just wanting to have a bass bin for an extra bit of power if it's a bigger gig or something. But this is how we're going to use it today. This can pretty much go anywhere. Central would be good, but it's not terribly important. And then you would put these further apart than what we've got here today. This is just to sort of show you how it goes, but put a bit of separation on these. Right, so let's shoot round the back, show you how it works. Because we're just using the one bass bin here, what we're going to do is we're going to put the left and right channel of our DJ mixer into here. So whatever device you've got, so whether you've got an iPad, a laptop, you're generally more than likely going to have a DJ mixer or a PA mixer. Those mixers are going to have outputs, a left output and a right output. And we're going to use both those outputs to come into this bass bin. Whatever the connection of your mixer is, we don't know at this moment. You tell us what it is, we'll give you the correct cables that you need. So this is where we come into the bass bin. Let me just unplug these for now to give you a better idea. So this is the input part of the bass bin. And like I said, we're going to put the left and the right of the mixer into each one of these. So let's say that's left, and this bit actually, whether it's like that or like that, doesn't make any difference. So that's one input. That's the other input. So now this bass bin is receiving both the left and right from the mixer. Let's just power the bass bin on. As you can see here at the bottom, we've got a power cable. Give you that. Switch this on. Hopefully it will light up. Yep. We've got a setting here. And all we need to do is just press that button until we get to the center green light where it says 450. That 450 just represents the speakers that we're using it with. If you're just hiring this on its own and you haven't got 450 speakers, it's not terribly important. But in this case today, we have, so we're going to put it on 450. The other thing we need to note about on this bass bin is this here. It's a volume control. This is a volume control just for the bass bin. It doesn't affect anything else. For setting up, we're going to just put that central. Put that in the middle. We now need to go from this bass bin to each one of the speakers. So like we showed you earlier on, we've got two speakers. And these are the outputs that we're going to use to go to those speakers. So that could go to the speaker on my left, and that can go to the speaker on my right. It doesn't really make any difference. So these are the connectors that we're going to use. I'm going to plug that into there. That into there. Now let's head over to one of the top speakers. Okay, we're going to go to this one then. This is the other side of that XLR that's going in there. This speaker's got two inputs. We're only coming into one of them. May as well come into number one. So just chuck it in that one there. Put it in there. So in that goes. Push it in. Above it you'll see a volume control. Like the bass bin had a volume control. I would also put that at 12 o'clock, central, in the middle. You may need to adjust these later on once you've got it up and running, but for the moment, go for it central. Same thing as the bass bin, it's got its power cable coming in, which will give you, it's got its on and off switch, and then we get these lights coming up here. There's no real wrong way of doing it, but if you want to do it the best possible way, have it on the top setting. It says PA. If it's on anything else, just keep pressing it until you get to where you want to be. And what we've done here, we're going to do exactly the same on the other speaker. Quick look at that. You'll see that this is the input for the other speaker. We've got that set to 12 o'clock as well. It's important that wherever we've got this set at, the other one's the same. And that's pretty much it. It's a great system. Fairly easy to set up. And that bass bin will just give you that extra oomph to make your party rock.